Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to buy VID coin, so VIDT, and I'm going to show you how to buy it on KuCoin. So the first thing that you have to understand is that if you want to buy VIDT, you first have to, like you see here, you first have to buy Bitcoin, BTC, and then trade that Bitcoin into VIDT. You have to do that because you can't buy VIDT straight up with credit card, and I'm going to show you now what I'm talking about. So when you go home and click buy fiat and then click credit and debit card, here's the place where you can buy cryptocurrencies with your credit or debit card. So when I click here to see what coins they are selling currently, I can't see VIDT here. I can't see VID coin here. So that's why we are buying first Bitcoin, and after that we are going to buy VIDT. VIDT, yeah. So VID, so coin. But yeah. So to buy Bitcoin, so that's this just shows how early we are in the cryptocurrency space, because we don't like, you know what I'm saying, you first have to still buy Bitcoin or any other currency and then sell it to Bitcoin and then trade the Bitcoin into VID. So that's how early we are. There is still not like bridge between those currencies. But anyway, to buy Bitcoin, so yeah, basically you go to home and then click buy with fiat and then click credit/debit card, and here you can buy it. So all you have to really do here is select how much Bitcoin you want to buy, and then you can also, when you click the USD, you can select what currency you want to use when buying your cryptocurrencies. So in this case, Bitcoin. So I'll after that just click buy now, and the button will I'm going to show you here. Like, yeah, you can see that the button will blow up in red, green. So after you click buy now, the trade will execute, or your buy or order will execute, and you will get Bitcoin. So after you have bought it, when you go back to your assets, boom, you can see your Bitcoin right here. Now, the next thing that I'm going to tell you is also really important. So now, KuCoin has different wallets. You have your main wallet, then you have your trading wallet, then you have your margin wallet and futures and other stuff, which I don't know what they're doing. I'm just using KuCoin to buy cryptocurrencies and trade cryptocurrencies. Pretty basic stuff, like basically that's what I'm doing with KuCoin. So I'm just using the main and the trading wallet. So what this basically means is the main wallet is a wallet where you can't use this wallet for trading. But for the other hand, when you go trading, this is the wallet that you are using when you are trading. So let me show you. When you go to main, and if your BTC is right here, now when you click the Bitcoin, and you can see transfer left, bottom left, and you click that, here is where you can change from main account to trading account. So all you really do here is just, you can click all or select how much Bitcoin you want to send to your trading account, and then just click confirm. It will confirm in just 1 second, so it's really quick. There's like no transfer fees or anything. It just switches between wallet, So now basically your cryptocurrencies are now in the trading in your trading wallet, and now what you need to do is go to markets and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So in this case we are buying VIDT. So now when we click VIDT/BTC, this is where we are going to trade our Bitcoins into VIDT coins. So you can't trade, and then click buy, by the way, but you can't trade if you don't have funds in your trading wallet. So that's what I think people are struggling with, and it's pretty confusing when you're first doing this, but it's really simple. You have main and trading wallet, and you transfer your funds from main to trading, and you can trade. You can change the, like, from the main, just click transfer, and main to trading, or so on, and then you can change from trading to main. And when you do this, from trading to main, these are the, when you have cryptocurrency in your main account, these are the funds that you can withdraw. You can't withdraw funds if they are in the trading wallet. So that's what you have to also remember. That's also really important. But anyway, keep your cryptocurrencies that you want to trade in trading wallet, and that you want just hold, or just don't want to trade now, just keep them in your main wallet. Really simple, really this is really good option. I really like it, but it's really confusing when I was first learning this. But okay, so now when you go to trade, here you can buy Bitcoin with you can buy VIDT with Bitcoin. So here basically this is trading desk, and all you really do here is select how much Bitcoin you want to sell for VIDT. So let's see here. So the first line, which is 0.0000000001, that is the sum that I'm willing to pay for one VIDT coin. So when I click the one red to the bottom right, top right, excuse me. So top right, when you click the top right, red, where it says 0.00004329. So when I click that, it's going to select the price as that, because this is the lowest that somebody is selling Bitcoin. So you can select how much you want to pay for one Bitcoin. Now the below here is the amount that you are going to get. So with that price, you're going to get 230 Bitcoins. So and you can, when you click 25%, 50%, 75, and 100%, that means that you're going to sell, like if you are 50%, it means that you're going to sell 50% of your Bitcoins and trade them in the VIDT. If you're going to with 75, then you're going to buy 75. You're going to sell 75% of your Bitcoins into VIDT, and so on. If you go with 100, that means that you're selling all of your Bitcoin and trading it in the VIDT. Now, after you have decided how much you want to buy, you can see the fees here. So here are trading fees, but they are kind of low, like you can see. And after you have decided everything that you want to do, how much you want to buy, how much you want to pay for it, like let's say that if you put like 4,000 here, you can put your order here, and it will execute at 400 if you think that the Bitcoin is going to going to go down more. But if you just want to buy quickly, then you click the bottom, the top of the red ones. Just click that. That is the lowest somebody is selling currently Bitcoin. Just click that, and then click buy VIDT here. So after you click buy VIDT, your buy order will execute, and when you go back to your asset, you see your Bitcoin right here. The trade will execute in a couple of seconds, so it takes no time. But anyway, now if you want to withdraw your funds, just go and click withdraw and select what coin you want to withdraw. So here, just click VIDT ID token, and here enter the wallet address, and just click confirm, and that's it. So it's really that simple. Follow this tutorial, and you can buy Bitcoin in just in a couple of minutes. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.